Hi guys, welcome back to Clever Catty. Today we would like to introduce a machine imagined with the ideas of our team. This is the medicine juice machine that we have for in medical field. As we say, medicine juice is made by fruit so that you don't feel the bitter taste of the medicine.
Not bad, not bad.
It has the same functions as other juicers, but it has one unique feature. That is supplementing nutrients needed according to disease. It is made for titanium. Titanium is known for its durability, lightweight construction, and resistant to corrosion. These features make it ideal for producing high-quality medicated juice. This product is primarily intended for people who are afraid of taking medication, suffer from chronic illness, and are constantly taking medication. We named this machine Fresh Sweet Pro. First, you must have some fruit to use in this juice. Then turn on the button and add fruit. You need to pour a little water to grind fruit easily. In this time, the machine will ask what almond you are taking it for. Check your disease by pressing the button and the machine starts stirring according to your diseases. Finally, you will get a good medicated juice.
So, the first part of video has been told about machine and its function. Now I will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the medicine juice machine. Let's continue to listen and see what the benefits of the medicine juice machine. What are the benefits and what is impossible? So learn on. Use illness. You must tell the machine about his illness and pour medicine provided by the doctor into the machine. You can also choose your favorite flavor and ask the machine to make a color medicated juice. Possible and side effect of the medicine juice machine. Cause easier to take medicine. People who are afraid to take medicine like a cold and the fever medicine is expanding. So, bad effects. The possibility of dehydration. Taking more than tomorrow and provided by the doctor can cause avoiding diseases. Price around $400 initially. Flexi Pro will become effective in the long run. Acidity eliminates the need of a separate supplement. Procreation or complicated and preparation.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
The future of the invention to bring is a possibility and idea of use called a revolutionary. Personalized healthcare in the long term. It can expand to hospitals and clinics and enhancing a patient care worldwide while promoting natural wellness and solutions. I think everyone has understood about the medicine juice machine. In conclusion, the medicine is not only beneficial at the people's health, it is also the use medicine provided by nature. So I would like to thank my friends and teacher Jetty for listening to me about the medicine juice machine. I hope to be able to produce what is not able to be produced. Thank you.